And then I just saw it was just coming down Ped Walkway. I'm like, that's crazy.
Robots are zooming across sidewalks of the UT campus. A company called Starship is launching a small fleet of metal food carriers for the spring semester. They deliver food from 13 dining spots on campus, and they use maps and GPS to do it. Reporter Mary Klingler takes us to campus on a quest to see those delivery bots in action.
Those robots are dope.
I'm wary of the future. Have you ever seen Terminator?
It's pretty awesome.
They see them rolling, but no one's hating.
If you help it get unstuck, it actually thanks you.
Meet UT's newest hospitality hire, robots.
Excited to try them out and get some food from them.
Like an insulated remote-controlled car, about 25 of these cute little robots are on the move between 8 in the morning and 4 at night.
This is a more interesting experience than seeing a cute animal, cute pet, try to take a video of it. Whenever we see one of them like take off and park and stuff, it's cool.
Crossing streets and dodging pedestrians to bring students food order at 4.5 miles per hour.
Well, these delivery robots are still in the trial phase. They're expected to go live next week.
You can order food or groceries on the Starship app, kind of like any other food delivery service. But the best part, UT student John Codavilla says, it also takes campus dining dollars.
So apparently you can use your flex and dining dollars on that, which is pretty convenient.
As an engineering major and former robotics team member, Codavilla says he's impressed by this new technology.
The path tracking they do, like actually being able to find their way across campus and then avoid all the crazy pedestrians, like the sensory stuff is pretty well built. It's pretty cool.
Starship officials are on campus this week monitoring the robots. So far, they're running like a well-oiled machine.
It's cool. I haven't used it, but it's pretty awesome.
Reporting in Knoxville, I'm Mary Klingler.
The robots can't climb stairs, but they can hop a curb up to 8 inches high. The company says the delivery count worldwide is more than 3 million, and they're growing by 60,000 every week.